Okay, so once the algorithm has switched and confirmed, it gives me my stop if I'm wrong, and it also gives me my targets if I'm right. There's 1, 2, and 3 right here. And sometimes I get even more than that. All right, so I had some technical difficulties the other day, or yeah, on the 7th, August 7th, trading, bringing a video to you. So I'm doing a little recap right now. So just going to show you the recap of what happened on that day because there's some lessons in here for my students. So I wanted to bring it to you. So it was a red day. My first trade of the day, I had an accidental trade. Stupid. So anyway, it doesn't matter. I shouldn't have been in it, and I got in it and it took a loss on it. And then my second trade of the day was a great trade. So even though I ended up losing on the day, it was an excellent trade. So this stock, I've had a lot of winners. I knew a loser was coming up. I just traded this the other day and had like a pretty nice winner on it. So that was a couple days ago or yesterday or whatever. So anyway, so it came up again today and I was like, oh man, I know a loser's coming. So I jumped into this trade. So right here, the algorithm had switched and indicated a long position, a potential long position. We had permission. So volume agreed. So I jumped in, knowing that there could be a good chance of a loser. This had a big run up, which unfortunately you can't see here. It's cut off. It had a really big run up on the day, and then got this new high, and then bounced right here, came back up, thought it was going to go higher. The algorithm was thinking, and then started to break down. But on this breakdown, it started to form a channel right here. So a descending channel line here. So depending on what happened here, this is going to be a wedge and blowout, or this could be a continued breakdown. So when I got stopped out, I moved my stop to be just below this level. So as soon as I got stopped out, I reversed my trade because it's trading lower than here. So a high, a low, a high, a lower low. So I decided to reverse the trade and get into it short, a speed bump play on it, and then rode that speed bump all the way down. And whenever you have a support area that gets broken, it can become resistance. And back here further, you can almost see right here a little bit of that resistance area. This was some resistance before. It broke through, became support, broke down, came back up, became resistance again. And that coincided near the top of this channel as well. So a lot of stuff telling me this could be resistance here. So I stayed in on this speed bump play and waited for it to come back and retest the bottom of the channel that had been forming, as well as my potential one-to-one target here. So sure enough, it came down and got into this, but because I didn't put my stop right where I got right here at the algorithm's exit point, I moved my stop just below this. I needed to wait until it actually hit the bottom of this channel to get out break even, and I ended up getting out with a 1 penny loss instead of break even. So it ended up being a 1 penny loss on this trade. So ended up being a 1 penny loss in this trade. So at the end of the day, I ended up down 37 cents because of that first trade I took that I should not have been in. I took a 36-cent loss on it. So this one, the trade I was supposed to be in, worked out great. You know, I jumped in, didn't work, speed bumped it, made a penny per share on it. It was awesome. So that's how my day ended, basically on Friday. So I ended up with a losing day. I finally got a red day in there. It's been a little while. And hopefully all next week can be back in the green. All right, everybody. Have an awesome weekend.